If you're into looking after your health, want to reach your ideal weight and want to find out more about the benefits of meditation and plant medicines, this channel is for you. I've been diagnosed with Asperger's, high functioning autism, generalised anxiety disorder and chronic pain, and told that I would have to spend my life on toxic pharmaceutical drugs. In 2016, I went through my first Kundalini awakening and my life changed forever. I fell in love with meditation and am now happily sitting in Thailand, off all pharmaceutical drugs and surrounded by plants. I have created this channel to put out all the important information I have learnt from the depths of meditation. Learn what's good to eat, exercise, fasting and health tips, and links to breathwork and chakra audio meditations which I use daily, as well as being able to enjoy the beauty of Thailand from the comfort of your home. I'll be uploading daily and going live every Friday 4 PM Thailand time. So if you want to improve your health, reach your ideal weight, get off all pharmaceutical drugs and learn how to really breathe, hit subscribe and elevate your game.